What's up, everybody? It's Ryan with Coffs Customs. So today I got my K&N filter in for my 2019 Road Glide. It's not like a full-on intake or anything like that. It's just a drop-in K&N filter. So I'm gonna go ahead, show you guys how to install it, kind of let you know what I think, and that'll be it. So let's get started. All right, guys. So the first thing you're gonna need is a 5/16 Allen. You're gonna take off your center bolt in the air cleaner, righty tighty lefty loosey. That's going to come right off, and then you're going to have your air filter. So you're going to take off your T27 Torx here, which I will do, and then I will show you how to put the K&N in. So after you pull your filter off, you're going to have to fish this line into the hole right here, and then you're just going to go ahead and bolt it back up and put your cover on. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. It's Coffs, KOFFS _customs, KUSTOMZ. Thanks, guys. Be cool. Stay safe.